next-generation models, billion-dollar deals, and the future of code. Here are this week's top stories in 2 minutes.
First, at its largest dev day ever, OpenAI just unveiled its next chapter for developers and users. Leading the charge is GPT-5 Pro, a next-gen model built for high-precision industries like finance and law. They also launched Sora 2 for cinema-quality video, and a new cost-effective model that maintains expressiveness. And with the new Cameo feature, OpenAI is deepening engagement with its 800 million weekly active users. Next, in the world of AI developer tools, the platform Factory has unveiled its new Droids. Following strong adoption from clients like NVIDIA, Factory just raised $50 million in a new funding round. The platform delivers remarkable results, including a 31 times faster feature delivery for its clients. This is the new reality of software development, with AI-powered tools dramatically accelerating innovation cycles.
Finally, in the hardware space, AMD and OpenAI have just announced a massive strategic partnership.
AMD will supply tens of billions of dollars in chips, powering 6 gigawatts of AI infrastructure for OpenAI. The deal reshapes the AI hardware landscape, sending AMD's stock soaring 34% on the news.
This week reveals the entire AI stack accelerating at once. Next-generation models, the tools that use them,
and the massive hardware infrastructure required to power it all. The future is being built right now. Stay curious and subscribe for your essential 2-minute AI news every week.